Hey, how's it going? My name is Fred with Approve My Score. I'm the operations manager here. And I wanted to do a quick video for you guys to kind of talk about budgeting and people who have reached out to me trying to become a client but just don't have the means to afford the services. So the purpose of this video is I wanted to go ahead and let you know that what we're going to do is try to work with some of you. And what we're going to do is we're going to put together a program for you to do it on your own. So what is the do-it-yourself software include? So basically what we're going to do is we have a software, and this is only going to be open to the first 50 people. So the first 50 people who would like to do credit repair for themselves, we're not going to charge you anything. Now there is a separate fee for credit monitoring if you want to be able to import the information without having to manually input the information into the software. If you want to be able to have the ability to import the information with a click of a button, there is a credit monitoring fee of $19.95 per month. So the way this is going to work is I have a link below the video in the description where you can click on the link and fill out the form. Once you fill out the form, we'll be notified. A member of my team will be notified, and we'll be going up and opening the do-it-yourself software for you to go ahead and do the credit repair on your own. This is just to give back. It's our way of giving back to those who just can't afford the services. So we're going to open it up to the first 50 people free of charge. So you can either use a credit report that you have. If you have free credit monitoring, you can use that, something like Credit Karma. However, by using these free versions, usually there is an account number associated with the account. So you're kind of going in blind and you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. So we recommend that you obtain the credit monitoring. It's $19.95 for the credit monitoring. It's through a third party, so they're not associated with us, but they do provide our clients with a discounted rate. So again, if you wanted to do that route, it's a lot easier, a lot less time consuming, because you're able to click one button and all the information will go ahead and import into the software. Then it's just a matter of picking your letter, picking the dispute reasons, and mailing the letters out on your own. Once we reach our 50 first people who respond, once we reach that number of 50, it's going to go to the normal price, which as of today is $19 per month for the software. So for under $40, you're going to be able to get a do-it-yourself software and do the credit repair yourself. This is only for one person, so you're either looking at $20 or $19.95 for the credit monitoring if you choose to go that route, or once we reach the first 50 people who are going to be let in for free, anything over that is going to be $19. So under $40, you'll be able to do your credit repair yourself, not have to pay a company to do it for you. Okay. So I just wanted to bring this video to you to make sure that I make you aware of what's going on and what we're trying to do. Today is August 12th, Monday, and I'm sure probably by either sometime today or tomorrow, the 50 slots will be gone. Once the 50 are taken, then we'll go ahead and take this video down. But as long as the video's up, actually, we're going to leave the video up, because after the first 50 people get started, then we're just going to invoice at $19 per month. Or you can do a one-time payment of $125. And that will give you lifetime access. Okay. So $125 one-time fee, give you lifetime access, or $19 per month. The prices will be going up. We're not sure if we're going to do that starting October 1st to go into the last quarter of the year. So if it is something that you want to do, make sure you make the decision sooner rather than later, because it's going to benefit you most. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, send a comment, and either myself or one of my team members will reach out. Otherwise, fill out the form. First 50 are in for free. All you have to do is get your credit monitoring at $19.95 per month until you get your services completed. So with that being said, again, thank you for watching the video, and you guys have a great day.